It's unboxing time. We're doing the Maxie Makes July box. Welcome to the Sewing Report. I'm Jennifer Moore, helping you discover your love of sewing crafts and DIY projects. Let's get right to it. This is the July Maxie Makes subscription box. All right, let's check it out here. Got the signature box here. I always know when this is coming in the mail because it's always in this cute box. Okay. Oh, this adorable, very nicely packaged white tissue paper. Got her little sticker on it. Let's take this out, see what we got here. Since this one just fell out, we'll talk about it. It's Gutermann thread in sort of a cream color. Says made in Greece on it, and this is color 1040. So if you like this, color 1040. All right, let's slide everything out. I kind of don't want to get the packaging all messed up, so we'll make it pretty. Oh, this is the Orange Blossom Quilt Pattern by Bethany Miller. It's an orange peel technique. I've actually seen videos on this before, and they make it a lot easier with freezer paper. All right, so it comes with, all right, little booklet here. And what do you know, I actually needed a new pair of scissors because I just had a pair that broke, so good timing. Got some freezer paper templates. Now this is commercial freezer paper. It's not like the stuff you get at the grocery store. So it's a bit thicker, very cool. That's what I love about these boxes. Everything's cut out for you, the fabric. There's not a lot of prep work, so she really makes it easy. Here's a full rundown of what's in the July box. Art Gallery Pure Elements 100% Pima Cotton solids, 16 10-inch squares for making 16 blocks. That is a lot of blocks. You can really make a pretty decent sized quilt. Art Gallery Succulence fabric for binding, designed by Bonnie Christine, which is Maxie's daughter, in case you didn't know already. The Orange Blossom Quilt Pattern by Bethany Miller of Plum Easy Designs. This is also the same pattern line that did the folded star hot pad box that Maxie did a few months ago with the prairie point technique. Some cute paper cutting scissors. 4 die-cut heavy-duty Cut-Rite Freezer Paper templates for making blocks. Elmer's water-soluble glue stick, recommended by Bethany, and 50-weight cotton Gutermann thread in color 1040. And of course, for a little goodie, Twining's orange and cinnamon tea. Ooh, maybe I'll have this afternoon. We'll have to see. I really like this box. Seriously, look how much fabric you get in this box. This is a lot of fabric, and you get binding fabric. I mean, this is a really good value box. You get scissors, you get everything you need. The template's already cut out, and there's a video on Maxie's website where she shows you how to actually put these blocks together. So step-by-step instructions. These really are sewing lessons in a box, and that's why I highly recommend this particular subscription box. I've tried out a few, and I gotta say, this is definitely one of my favorites. So if you're interested in these, I am a Maxie Makes affiliate now. So if you type in the coupon code Sewing Report, you can get 10% off your first box, and they're $35 each US dollars and $5 shipping. She's currently normally only shipping to the continental United States, but it says on her website if you are international, shoot her a message and she'll see what she can do. She's an extremely nice lady, and I've really enjoyed getting to know Maxie and trying out all her boxes. Now, in case you're wondering, I did make the June box, the Hold It bin. I didn't take any pictures of the project though, and then I ended up gifting it to someone. So I'm gonna try to make another one and take some pictures. It turned out really cute though, and it was super easy once you got all the prep work done. So I'm excited to make another one. Anyways, that's been the July box. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Sewing Report. For everything sewing, crafts, and DIY projects, I'm Jennifer Moore, and I'll see you again in the next video.